Such a sad day. Off we go. But at least we have one more night in the hotel before we head home. Such a beautiful ship. Wow. We're headed to get our luggage. They took it last night at about 11 p.m. And it's going to be, I'll show you guys where it's at. Here we are, here's Section Goofy. That's the tags they gave us last night. Here's one of ours. Now we're gonna find the rest. So these are the tags they gave us last night. And then they put them in the section for us. It's great, nice and easy. Hello, hello everyone. Saddest day ever. We are officially off our Disney cruise. However, we do have one night left here in Fort Lauderdale. We're staying at the Beach Ocean Resort, which is literally 5 minutes from the terminal, Port Everglades, which is Disney's terminal here in Fort Lauderdale.
Say hi.
Avery has baby Mickey. We always do a pre and post night stay when we go on cruises because we do live so far. We're in Arizona and we're all the way in Florida. It's just easier, more relaxing. We are overly exhausted from the full week that we had on our Disney cruise. Disney had a full itinerary planned for us every single day. So we are feeling it now. But let me show you the room because one of the #1 reasons we stay at this hotel is not only because it's nice, but it's right on the beach. So this room type is called a stunning 2-queen ocean view room. One thing we do suggest is definitely booking the nicer rooms. We've stayed in the basic rooms before. They're called like chic something, and it's not something that I would stay in. It's definitely not as nice. Like the view doesn't really matter, but the rooms are not the same. So definitely splurge, get the nicer room. But there's a couple different options on our website. However, if you do book a Disney cruise with us, we can book this hotel for you, and then we'll make sure that you get the best room possible. So first here, we have the bathroom, just nice and spacious. It's so funny, we were just here in April, and Brian, we pulled up and he was like, I literally feel like we just left here. We were just here. So exciting. So here's a hole, you have a Keurig, there is a fridge in here.
And we got
Storage
these
space.
for the ocean.
Here, got things for the ocean. They did give us some towel cards, and then these are for the beach chairs because it kind of is like a private beach out there.
I wonder if we're gonna see an iguana that his tail fell off like last time.
Yeah, the iguanas walk around here like dinosaurs. All right, here is the nice spacious room. These rooms really are large. I like this big mirror right here. And here's the best view ever. Great way to get off the cruise ship to go hang out.
We got tennis rackets.
Yep.
It's like
On
Molly
the
playing
beach.
tennis.
And then right over here is like the area designated for our hotel. You can't really see it. It's right behind our wall. But there's beach chairs, there's umbrellas, they give you towels. They give you like these little wristbands and cards to use to get the towels and the lawn chairs, or not lawn chairs, the beach chairs. And you can go relax in the designated area. You got your own, pretty much your private beach. And then right next to that is the swimming pool for the hotel, which is actually super, super nice too, which has like a little bar and restaurant connected to it. So it's like a cool little setup, and it's all right here, so it's not very crowded. It's not a bunch of like public coming to hang out at the beach. We have our own little spot.
Good morning, everyone. We are headed off to breakfast because we are hungry. Here's what the lobby looks like at the Bee Ocean. We do have a mermaid show event in there, which looks pretty cool. Oh my gosh, that scared me. Oh my gosh, that scared me. Look at that huge dragonfly in here.
It scared me, I didn't even know what it was.
Look at, do you see that huge thing? It's like flying around in here. Y'all, I gotta leave Florida. These things are too scary. All these things flying around. So here we are at the Naked Crab. We're like the only people in here, huh?
Yeah.
All right, what else? Oh, there's stuff outside.
Yeah, last time we ate outside, next to that mural right there.
It was really nice,
Yep.
yeah.
We had the same waiter we had last time, a few months ago.
We made it out here to the beach. Here's the ocean back there. And it's such a nice day out. I was able to get some work done in the room. I have not had cellular cellular data in over a week, and sometimes it's so nice to just unplug and unwind. We of course had Wi-Fi so that we could post on our social medias, because that's what the trip was all about from Disney. But I was able to get back some emails, text back some customers, and now we're enjoying our last day in Florida. Avery's already found about 1 billion seashells. All right, Avery, what are you doing? Are you finding seashells? Let me see.
Yeah, I found one that looks like a heart.
Wow, oh my goodness.
There's...
Ooh, Dad found a big one.
Oh,
Wow.
and we found a part of the jellyfish.
We found some jellyfish. It feels super great out here.
Put them back over
Yeah, the
there.
water is not as nice as the Bahamas, but it's nice.
Not as nice as the Bahamas, of course.
This water feels warm.
It does feel pretty warm. It feels great.
All right, we're on the search for some fish. We just saw a bunch swim by just a second ago, and we tried to film it, yet we weren't on video, so we failed. But we're gonna try again. And last time we were here, we saw an entire school of fish swimming by, so hopefully we can get something on film, so it would look pretty cool underneath the water. And Avery's on the hunt for all the seashells she can find.